The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are tipped to launch with on-device generative AI on par with ChatGPT and Google Bard. An enhanced version of Bixby is also in the works. So hey everyone, I am Ayosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. The Galaxy S24 series is slated to bring a slew of upgrades, including brighter LTPO screens across the board and a QHD Plus display on the Galaxy S24 Plus. The Exynos 2400 is slated to make a comeback too, but only on the non-Ultra models. Sources have told the publication that the Galaxy S24, Galaxy 24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the smartest AI phones ever, with cutting-edge features such as the ability to create text from prompts and text-to-image generative AI. Among other things, the Exynos 2400's NPU is 14.7x faster than its predecessor, and Samsung will likely use that to its full potential. Unfortunately, the report doesn't reveal in-depth information about the Galaxy S24 Series I capabilities other than the fact that it could surpass what Google offers with the Pixel 8 series. Whether or not it will offload the heavy lifting to the cloud remains to be seen. What is certain is that Bixby is here to stay. It might even become a viable competitor this time. Yes, Samsung hasn't given up on Bixby yet. If anything, the company will probably be putting the spotlight on Bixby more and more in the coming years as manufacturers turn towards artificial intelligence to make smartphones interesting again. Google's the only one doing it seriously at the moment, and Samsung wants to get in on the action as well. The Galaxy S24 series should also be faster at performing AI tasks compared to a Pixel smartphone thanks to the more powerful Exynos and Snapdragon chips. We can't say just how fast the upcoming phones will be without seeing them in action, and hopefully Samsung will be able to keep things under wraps until the official launch of its next flagship lineup instead of letting the Galaxy S24's ice thick be revealed through the rumor mill. We expect the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra to be announced in January, just like some rumors have suggested, though an exact launch date is not known at the moment. As Samsung aims to create the smartest AI phones ever with the Galaxy S24 series, do you believe that the integration of advanced AI capabilities like text generation and text-to-image AI will be a game-changer in the smartphone industry? How do you think this competition between Samsung and Google in the AI space will shape the future of smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.